My name is Robert Stolz. I'm the president of Stolz Telecom. We have offices in Oklahoma and Texas, and we primarily serve public safety customers in those states. The Oklahoma Department of Public Safety has about 700 sworn troopers, and their jurisdiction is covering the highways, and they're the state public safety agency for the state of Oklahoma. One of the challenges they had was an aging low band system that was designed and implemented in the 1960s that they were currently using. So we discussed a possible solution to replace that system with a Tait vote scan system that we helped engineer and design for them. The primary challenge was the rural areas are normally use VHF, which they've been using for a few decades now. And the challenge was convincing them that the 700 megahertz system would work just as good and or better than that system. So I think one of the challenges was the buy-in for those rural agencies to show them that the system would outperform what their expectations were. We provided the initial engineering design of the system using the same coverage prediction software that Tait uses. So we can, work collaboratively with Tait anytime we're doing any type of engineering. However, they wanted to validate our results, so they did their own engineering and coverage map predictions, and that validated the coverage that we were predicting for them. This system type being a voted multicast system, I think was a perfect fit for them, which allowed them to have a zone type system that voted their incoming audio and dispersed it across all the sites in that zone. From some of the reports, it's been one of the best systems that they've ever had in their existence. It allows them to talk, troopers to talk across troops where they've never had that before. Before, with the low band system, they could only hear dispatch and not other troopers in the area, but now they can actually talk to one another without having to relay all the communications through dispatch. One of the goals with the PatrolNet system design was to allow access in the future to local agencies, in addition to other state agencies that may want to join the system that don't have any statewide systems currently deployed. So one of our goals was to design the system with growth and allow other users to join the system. PatrolNet has greatly improved interoperability with state and local agencies. Texas County is a great example of that. The local agencies were on VHF and the state was on 700 megahertz on the PatrolNet system. With Texas County moving towards the 700 megahertz side, it now allows the local agencies to talk directly to the Oklahoma Highway Patrol. And not only that, it allows them to talk with other states that surround them that have already transitioned to 700 and 800 megahertz. They've been very pleased with the PatrolNet network. They've actually added probably 6 to 7 additional sites since we deployed the original 35 sites just to enhance some coverage in those rural areas. They've added conventional channels in the capital area for events so they can use the system there since it's been such a great tool for the rural areas. Texas County is the first local agency to utilize it. However, there are many different agencies in Texas County. All the public safety agencies, police, county sheriff, fire, and EMS are using it. One of the best things about the TB9400 is the integrated voting feature in the base station. So instead of having to purchase additional voting equipment, all of that is done directly in the base station. So there's no additional equipment that's needed on the customer side. One of the impacts has been, I think, better officer safety. They now are able to use portable devices, where in the past with the low band system, manufacturers haven't made any low band portable devices in probably 10 years. So now they're able to actually use their portable devices, so when they're away from their vehicle, they can still talk to their dispatch. I think a lot of other agencies could learn that sometimes your most expensive option is not the best option. We were a fraction of the price of other solutions by tens of millions of dollars, and they actually got a product that outperforms what their other solutions would have been.